The Ultratech pan composite model is a modular containment system designed to capture leaks, drips, and spills from railroad tanker cars and locomotives. The modular system has 20-foot pans that can be used in the center and/or the sides of the railroad ties. For this video, we will assume the most popular configuration of center pans and side pans on both sides. Installation of the Ultratech pans is relatively easy with minimal site preparation needed. For more in-depth information, please review the installation guide or watch the video of the installation process. Pans are connected to each other using a special adhesive. Once connected, spills can travel from one pan to another, allowing for a greater overall containment capacity. An optional manifold is available to allow pans to be connected to off-site containment via below-grade piping. Gaskets are available and can be installed in between the pans and the rail ties to prevent any spillage from getting into the substrate below the pans. Grading is also available to make the pans safer for personnel that may need to walk across the system. If a spill occurs, the spilled contents will first be captured in the pan nearest the spill. A center pan contains up to 209 gallons and a side pan up to 98 gallons. As the pan fills up and the spill reaches the flow-through holes, the adjacent pan will also begin to fill up. If a manifold is installed, the spill will be routed to the off-site containment area once it reaches that area of the system. The Ultratech pans can also be used for plastic pellet containment. While there are a few differences in the installation, the concept is the same. When pellets are loaded or unloaded from railcars, any spillage is captured in the pans and prevented from getting into the environment. Using these modified track pans, or pellet pans as we like to call them, can greatly help in achieving the zero pellet loss goal of programs like Operation Clean Sweep and others like it. Regardless of the type of spill, the Ultratech pans are a great way to ensure that liquid and pellets alike are contained until they can be cleaned up. Save time, money, and the environment.